Okay, this will be the first video of a 10-video series for Strat-O-Matic Football tutorial. My goal is to discuss the mechanics of the super advanced Strat-O-Matic Football. Most videos on YouTube center around the basic version, but it's vital to know the advanced board game mechanics to fully understand and appreciate the computer version. So we'll talk about the components that come with the game. We have a cool game board. And then we have the football and 10-yard markers. Then we have the defensive player squares, and these have defensive rating on them. Then we have the markers for the timer. Then we have the team player cards, dice, and there's two play selectors. And then we have the X chart, which we will refer to during the game. And it's in two sides. And then we have a copy of the instructions. And the instructions does have some key tables. I do copy one page and use it for reference. So those are the components of the game. My experience of Strat-O-Matic Football started with the sets in the 70s, like these. I started out with a basic game for a year, and then I played advanced games with friends. NFL in the 70s were more of a power running and powerful defensive dynasties. In the 80s, with the development of the West Coast offense and rule changes, football developed into more of a passing game, and as the NFL evolved, so did the cards and the rules of Strat-O-Matic Football. Here's an old X chart from one of the games in the 70s. Same play selectors. The cards were bigger, and they only had 3 dice at the time. Okay, now let's go back to the game rules. The play calling sequence is as follows. The offense announces his formation, for example, a pro set, blocking back offense, or possibly 3 receivers. And at this time, he announces if he's going to do a shotgun. After the offense announces his formation, then the defense announces his formation, for example, standard or nickel or dime defense. And at this time, he may show a free safety blitz. After the formations are set, the offense selects play secretly. The defense calls run or pass and manually adjusts, shifts the defensive players. The offense reveals call, rolls a dice. The result shortly is revealed. We move the football, move the timer. Some of my opponents' players are very conservative with a little defensive movement, using simple run or pass defenses, and other opponents are constantly shifting players, keying, double teaming, doing short yardage, prevent defense. There's no real correct way to play defense, and both styles can be very successful. This is one of the first box types that has come out from Strat-O-Matic. Strat-O-Matic started in 1967. I don't have any of the cards from the 60s. However, in this box, I stuck in a all-time franchise collector's edition. It had all the best players of each team. Okay, now in going back to the rules, the defense must guess run or pass. The defense will call run if they suspect line buck, off tackle, end run, or flat pass. The modern sets of flat pass is considered a run. Defense will call pass if they suspect a look-in pass, short pass, or long pass. This will determine if right or wrong. We'll discuss more of the what the plays are in future videos. But after each play, we are moving the football and first down marker and timer. In using the timer, each one space is 15 seconds. To generalize, each play takes 30 seconds or 2 spaces. Incomplete passes take 15 seconds or 1 space. In general, games can take 50 minutes to play, or just over an hour if you're recording statistics. So in the next videos, I'll go more into detail on the game mechanics. I'll see you soon.